first go to python.com, go to downloads and download Python. Go ahead and save that, and when it's finished, go ahead and click on it. Here, make sure you tick the Add Python to Path. That's the most important thing here. If you forgot this, we'll show you how to add it at the end. Alright, install. When it's finished installing, go ahead and close it. And that's it. If you haven't set your path, we'll show you how to do that now. So first go to where your Python's installed. Find where it is, so go open file location. And you need to see what this address is. Next, while keeping that open, go and open your system variables. So then go and open your path, and you have to make sure our path's already added here. You have to go and copy in the path to that Python folder into your path right there, like that. That's it. Enjoy. If you have a question, feel free to ask down below or join us on the Discord. And as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe.